Want a hassle-free shopping?
Do you find it time-consuming to go and shop on malls?
No worries. Online shopping got your back.
But before we start, we would like to introduce ourselves. I'm John Jarek Silaut,
I'm Casey Cabaldera. And I'm Christine Combate.
and today we will be discussing our research entitled Perceived Risk and Online Shopping Behavior of Senior High School Students in Perpetual Health National High School for Basis for Online Marketing Strategy.
Online shopping is a form of electronic commerce that allows consumers to directly buy goods or services from a seller over the internet using a web browser or a mobile app. The statistics has shown that the Philippines have seen massive growth in the e-commerce industry, especially in the last 5 years, but has exponentially propelled last 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Research by We Are Social and Hootsuite 2020 reveals that 67% of the country's total population are active internet users. 38.88 million people in the Philippines have purchased a product or service online based on the same report. Accordingly, young Filipinos make up the majority of online shoppers in the Philippines. The pattern of choice, convenience, and bargains is something that comes up in the habits and motivations of Filipino online shoppers. Further, young Filipinos are vulnerable at their stage, which could be assisted with proper knowledge and information. Hence, it is along this line that the researchers would like to understand and determine the perceived risk and online shopping behavior of senior high school students in Perpetual Hope National High School. As accountancy, business, and management student, this research undertaking and its output would bring a sense of fulfillment to contribute to the body of knowledge in understanding online shopping among our own age.
The objectives of this study is to determine the perceived risk and online shopping behavior of senior high school students in Perpetual Health National High School for school year 2021 to 2022. Specifically, it sought answers to the following questions. Number 1. What is the profile of the senior high school students in Perpetual Health National High School along sex, family monthly income, and frequency in online shopping? Number 2 question. What are the perceived risks of online shopping in terms of financial risk, product risk, convenience risk, and lastly, the non-delivery risk? Number 3 question. What is the online shopping behavior of the respondents? For number 4, is there any significant relationship between the perceived risk and online shopping behavior of the respondents? And last question, what output can be formulated based on the findings of the study?
For our methodology, the research design that was employed in the study was descriptive research, since it is aimed at casting light on current issues or problems through a process of data collection to describe the situation more completely. In essence, descriptive studies was used to describe various aspects of the phenomenon or characteristics and/or behavior of the sample population. The three main purposes of the descriptive studies can be explained as describing, explaining, and validating research findings, which is the study also purports to do. It shall describe and analyze the perceived risks and online shopping behavior of senior high school students in Perpetual Hope National High School. Statistical tools that were used in the study were Sloven's formula, percentage technique, and regression analysis. So here, Sloven's formula was used to get the number of respondents. The frequency and percentage technique was used to analyze the profile of the respondents. And for testing the hypothesis of the study, regression analysis were used to estimate the relationship between the dependent and independent variable. The dependent variable is the online shopping behavior, while the independent variables are the perceived risks, financial, product, convenience, and non-delivery risk. And with these methods, we were able to perform our study and get the results we need.
For the results and discussion, the profile shows that a majority of online shoppers in both grade levels were females with 74% of the total population compared to the male population of 26%. And also, in the average monthly income, the table shows that the average monthly income of the majority ranges from 16,000 pesos to 30,000 pesos. This is true to all sexes and grade level.
For frequency of online shopping. So based from the table, the frequency of online shopping shows that the majority shops 1 to 3 times a month, covering 66% of the total frequency. This is true to all grade level and sexes. For level of perceived risk, the figure showed that among perceived risk in online shopping, product risk and financial risk are very high.
Next, we have the regression determinants of online shopping behavior. The table shows the regressions of determinants of online shopping behavior, the financial risk, product risk, convenience risk, and non-delivery risk. The effect of financial risk to online shopping behavior is significant at the 0.05 level. Therefore, the risk of losing money and financial details will have a negative effect on the online shopping behavior. The effect of product risk to online shopping behavior is significant at the 0.05 level. Therefore, the product risk will have a negative effect on online shopping behavior. The effect of convenience risk to online shopping behavior is not significant at the 0.05 level. Therefore, having a friendly website and good service to better help the customers for shopping will have a positive influence on online shopping behavior. And lastly, the effect of non-delivery risk to online shopping behavior is not significant at the 0.05 level. Therefore, fear of non-delivery risk order will have a negative influence on online shopping behavior.
So based from the study that we conducted, here are the conclusions and recommendations. The profile of the respondents showed that the majority of online shoppers are female, with family monthly income ranging from 16,000 pesos to 30,000 pesos. For the frequency in online shopping, both sexes shop online at a frequency of 1 to 3 times a month. The result also yielded that there is a significant relationship between the perceived risk and online shopping behavior of the respondents. The study identified that the effect of financial risk and product risk on online shopping behavior were significant at 0.05 level. The higher the risk of losing money and receiving faulty merchandise negatively affected online shopping behavior. Hence, the infomercial was created to spread awareness and information on the risk of online shopping. For the recommendations, due to the limitations of this research, it is recommended that replication of this study be conducted to include broader scope and be conducted to other settings by drawing more participants from different regions in the country. Also, study factors which hinder online purchase intention be conducted. Researchers may consider the inclusion of more dimensions of perceived risk and other factors which influence online purchase intention.